class, students of class 1, this is your math class, and please take your math book, start with maths. This is your maths book and open the new chapter, extension of numbers up to 100. The new chapter is extension of numbers up to 100 and page number is 7 to 72. So here today you will learn some numbers from 5050 up to the number 100. So already all of you know the numbers from 5050. The numbers are like that: 5050, then 5151, then 5252, 5353, 5454, 5555 and so on. So now turn the page and open the page 7373. And here in the chart you can see some numbers have written like 5 tens and 0 ones, the number is 5050. 5 tens and 1 ones, the number is 5151. 5 tens and 2 ones, the number is 5252. Now turn the page number 74. 7474. Here you can see the chart is like that. The 60s are, then you can see the numbers from 6060 to 6969, and in the right side the heading is the 70s are, then you can see the number from 7070 up to 7979, and in the bottom portion the heading is the 80s are, and then the numbers are from 8080 up to 8989, and in the right side the heading is the 90s are, then the numbers are from 9090 to 9999. So clearly from the charts you can easily understand that the number from 5050 up to 5959 are called 50s. Here then the 60s. Why? Because the first number from the number 5050 up to the number 5959, the first digit is 5. It means 5050 থেকে 5959 পর্যন্ত সমস্ত নাম্বারের ফার্স্ট যে ডিজিটটা, ফার্স্ট ডিজিট দেখো সবগুলোর জন্য সেম, ফার্স্ট ডিজিট কি 5, এই জন্য এই নাম্বারগুলো হলো 50s. দেন after 59 the number is 60, then 61, 62 and similarly 69. So from the number 6060 up to the number 6969 all the numbers are called the 60s, and similarly from 9090 to 9999 all the numbers are called the 90s. And after 99 what comes? After 99 the number is 100. After 99 the number is 100. Now turn the page 7575. Here at first a number grid has given from the number 1 up to the number 100. Then some task has given for you. So the first task is write the following numbers. Here some number names have given. The first one is, now I am solving the first one. The first one is 59. FIFTY 50, NI 59. And now you have to write the digit. So see the spelling 50. So it means this is the number from 50s. So the first digit will be 5 and the last is 9. So write here 9. And then 88, E-I-G-H-T-Y, 88. So the first name is 80. It means the number is from 80s, the group of 80s. So obviously the first digit will be 8 and then the second digit also is 8. So the number is 8888. And similarly you can recognize all the rest of the number name. And the second task is write the following number names. In the previous task, all the number names have given. You have to write the number in digits, and in the second task all the digits have given and you have to write the number names. So at first the first number is 5353. And what is the first digit? 5. So this is a number from the group of 50s. So obviously the first word will be 50. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. And the second digit is 3. So write here the spelling of 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. So the number name became 53. And the second is 4949. So here the first digit is 4. So obviously the number is from the group of 40s. So at first write the 40 spelling. F-O-R-T-Y, 40, and then 9, A-9-N-E, 9. And similarly you can recognize all the number names. Now turn the page number 7676. Here the task is, the third task, complete the following, fill in the blanks. So one problem has done for you 6, 7, and you have to write the number as tens and ones place. 6, 7. So here the place value chart is 7 is in ones place and 6 is in tens place. All of you know that. So the number name, you can write the number name like that, 6 tens, because 6 is in tens place. 6 tens and 7 ones, because 7 is in ones place. 7 ones. And this is 6 tens means 6060 plus 7 ones means only 7. And by the similar process you can fill all the blanks. And the next task is write the following numbers and their number names. So similarly as the previous problem, here the number form given like that, 7 tens and 7 ones. This is the number. At first make the place value chart, ones, tens. Then read the line, 7 tens. So in the tens place the number is 7. So write here 7. And 7 ones. So in ones place the number is 7. So write here 7. And what is the number? 7, 7. This is the number in digit. And Now you have to write the number name. What is the number name? Now see, the first digit is 7. So obviously the number is in the 70s group. So the first spelling is 70. And then the last digit is 7. So write here 7. The number name is 77. And similarly, you can fill all the blanks. Thank you students for joining with us.